If you're new to photography, or even if you've been shooting for a while, but posing is your toughest challenge, stay tuned. We'll help you out. This episode I like to call Behind the Scenes Thursday. Basically, I'm going to have you watch over my shoulder as I shoot an amazing model, and you can see how she moves and how I interact, and then you also get to see what the image looks like on the back of the camera. All right, ready? Let's have you back against the wall first. There you go, feet wide, nice and tall on the toes. On your right, there you go. Lean, there. Bring that chin up a little more. There you go, good. Bring the face back to me. Good. On this wrist, watch this. There you go. Good. Love that. There you go. Good. Love that shoulder. Good. There. Very perfect. When you're there, when your head's here, bring that chin back this way. Good. One thing I want to change, this hand here, rotate, pinky up a little bit more. Other way. There. Let me see your face a little more. Good. Love that. Go ahead, drop it back down. I don't like it. Oh yeah, off the shoulder. There. Good. Hold it, don't move. Ooh, ah. Yeah. I mean, it's all right. See that chin up a little more? There. Rub the shoulder. There. Good. Pop the hips. There you go. Pop the hips more. There you go. You see one. Keep working that shoulder. There you go. Good. Shoulder this way. Whip all the hair to the other side. Girl, if you put that wetness all over my camera, girl, we fighting. I'm joking. No, I'm really not. No. Ooh, ooh. There you go. Good. Watch that right wrist. There you go. Good. Left finger instead of on the bottom. Click that thumb up top and push pull. There you go. Ooh. Left elbow forward. Left elbow back. There. Love. There you go. Good. Dang, girl. All right, so the way to make a short girl look tall, make yourself shorter. Thank you. There you go. Love. Love the shoulder. There you go. Take a bigger step, wider. There. When you pop the hip, pop that left hip out to me. There you go. There. Good. Push all the hair front. There you go. Rotate body to the right. A little more. There you go. Like looking back over your left shoulder at me. There you go. Bring that right hand around. There. Hips back to me a little bit. Right there. Right now, that right hand, I just see the hand. You see the elbow, the back hand. Bring it around. Yeah. Keep moving. There. 5 more. Love that. Good. Some key takeaways: make sure you communicate. Even if it's annoying and you say the same thing over and over and over like I do, make sure you communicate so that way the model knows how she's doing. If you see something you like, let the model know. If you see something that you don't like, tell them to keep moving. The main thing to walk away with is to remember to have fun. I learn something new every single day I shoot. You're never gonna stop learning. Hopefully you got a few tips that will make your next shoot a little bit easier. If you like what you see, please be sure to subscribe below and click the notification button so you can get notified when we have new videos uploaded weekly. Thanks again for stopping by. We'll see you next week.